Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about variables in SQL Server. So we'll understand how the cardinality estimation showing displaying for variables in the execution plan we are going to see in today's video. Let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can see the demo. So for timing, I have prepared a script. Okay. For today's demo purpose, I am using employees table. So first of all, try to execute. We will see how many number of records and what are the columns that are available in this table. I'm just clicking on execute. Now you can see that there are 290 rows of data is there and around more than 50 columns data is there. And also using this procedure, get index information, will get complete details about index information specific to this table, employee table. And one more procedure is get stat detail information. By executing this procedure, we'll get the statistics information about for this table. Okay, so let's try to execute whether is there any indexes available or not. Execute it. So it's displaying nothing. It means that so far we haven't created any index on this table. That's good. And also try to execute this statement also. It's nothing. Well, now try to create one unique cluster index on employee ID column. Okay, so create unique clustered index name on employee ID column. Let's try to execute it. So index has been completed successfully. Let's try to verify the same thing. Now we can see one row entry because just now we have created one clustered index on an employee ID column. And also we'll try to verify whether is there any statistics has been created or not. So one statistics has been created by creating the clustered index. On which column it has been created, employee ID. And if you notice here, what is the schema name, what is the table name, and what is the object ID, and what is the statistics name, CLS underscore employee ID, and what is the column name and column ID. So when it has been updated, and what is the sample row count, how many total rows, number of steps, unfiltered rows. So if you want to understand statistics about histogram, density, and hidden information, so please try to watch my statistics video series so that you will get clear understanding. I have explained in very great detail, so please try to watch if you did not watch so far. Now before executing the select statement, try to enable the actual execution plan. Okay, now in the select statement I'm just fetching the manager ID is equal to 16. Okay, just try to execute it. So it is fetching around 12 rows of data. Just go to the execution plan, try to zoom it a little bit. Now you can see, right, it's a cluster index scan and the index name is CL underscore employee ID and cost also 100%. If you place the mouse over here, actual number of rows and estimated number of rows, and what is the degree of parallelism and estimated subtract cost, all the details we can see here. And also we can notice around 12 rows and all the columns we are fetching. That's well and good. Now this time I want to create one variable. So within the variable I want to pass the manager ID as a 16, and finally in the where condition I want to pass that manager ID variable as a filter. So here I am declaring one variable within manager ID. So I am setting manager ID 16, and finally in the select statement I am using that variable. Try to execute it. Now we got 12 rows of data. Good. So in the execution plan, try to zoom it a little bit. I'll try to expand. Okay, now you can see clearly, right? So same, there's no change at all. But if you place the mouse over here, Actual number of rows for all executions is 12 and estimated number of rows for execution is 6.1484. So actually it's 12 but estimated is 6.14. How it is coming? So we'll try to verify that. So I want to go to the statistics about that table. So just execute this procedure. Now you can see, right? So one statistics has been created on manager id column. Okay, just take this name of the statistics name, go to the dbcc so statistics, just execute it here. Now you can see this is a header information, this is density, and this is histogram. So here if you notice here how many rows, 290, 48 steps is 48, nothing but these are the number of rows. And also filter expression, is there any filter expression? This is the string index, no. And unfiltered rows, if you notice there are all density columns on which column. So now our intention is how to find that 6.014 records. Okay, to find that 6.4, first we need to find the all density for this column. This is the all density. Select all density into total number of rows. How many number of total rows for this table? 290. Okay, let's take that count also, 290. Let's try to execute it. We look at 6.04, right? Take this copy, try to execute one more time. It's 12 rows. Zoom it. You are getting approximately close to 6.014, right? So we're getting what we have got 6.04, but here we are getting 6.14. So we are reaching very approximately close to that, right? So likewise, all density into total number of rows. All density, how we can find? By executing dbcc show statistics for the employee table. What is the statistics? We can take it and execute it, we'll find information. Now we'll try to verify one more example. So I'm taking marital status as a varchar. Here I'm passing m. I'm trying to filter the data by taking the variable. Try to execute it. Now you can find 146 rows as a result data. Okay, now I'll go to the execution plan, try to zoom it. Now you can see actual number of rows for all executions is 146, but when it comes to estimated number of rows for execution is 145. Now we'll find how to find the 145. So okay, now we'll go to the statistics. So by executing this procedure, we'll get all the statistics that have been created for the employee table. Just execute it. Now you can see, right? Take this statistics name, just paste it here and try to execute it. So we got a number of steps 2 because male and okay, and take 0.5 all density, select into 290, right? Try to execute it. 145.0 we have got. So if I execute this one, what we got? It's 145, right? Estimate. Even if you want, we can go to this properties, same thing we can verify here also. see, actually it's 146 and output is showing, but it is estimated as 145, right? Same thing we have calculated by using all density int and the total number of rows when the predicate is equal. So when the predicate is equal, we have to calculate like this. I hope you like this video. So that's all for today's videos, and I will see rest of details in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.